Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Ayafagha Bekewei.
Okay.
And I'm a teacher in the Apostolic Church Grammar School, Bori, Nigeria.
Okay. How did you come about the character match?
Actually, the character match is well known in outside country. The founder is Mr. Doze Taya, and it's not well known here in Nigeria, but I am introducing it due to a communication with him the last time.
Okay, so what can you say about the character match itself?
Okay, the character match is very important in the life of students that want to go to higher level in mathematics. The character match helps in building the character level of mathematics, and students prefer that the character match be called just like the way the vowel sound is in English, same way they want it to be called vowel mathematics. But I enjoy the character match and my students are also happy for it.
Okay, so what can you say about the students participating in the character match?
Okay, I have been teaching for about 10 years now. That is a decade. I have not seen any mathematics program that helped students the way character match did. The character match has been there. When it came to Nigeria, I was privileged to take it to my school here in Apostolic Church Grammar School, Bori, River State, Nigeria. I found out that even the students with special cases, spec ADD and spec ADHD and so spec EDD, they were all catching up from it. I think after now I'll show you most of the videos whom I do with the class, and they will explain everything to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much
for
being with us. Thank you very much.